Here we have the Maths number balance from the Toolkit for Math. And Maths number balance is an apparatus for visualizing simple mathematical equations and number relationships. So for example, we can say that 5 and 4 is greater than or heavier than 6. So 5 and 4, and we know that 5 and 4 is 9, and 9 is greater than 6, or 9 is heavier than 6, and we can show the sum that 5 plus 4 is greater than 6. So clear all. We could put weight on number 4, and 4 is less than 5 plus 3, for example. So 4 on the left we have 4, and on the right we have 5 and 3, which is 8. And if we show the sum, we can see that 4 is less than or lighter than 3 plus 5, or we can see that 3 plus 5 is heavier than 4. So we can look at relations between less than, greater than, or equals to. So for example, to balance this equation, what would we need to do? And the children should be able to work out, talk about, and offer solutions. And again, they can write those solutions onto their dry white marker boards and hold them up, and then you can see. So on the left we need to add another 4. 5 and 3 is 8, and we have 4 here. So what else do we need to add to 4 to make 8? So we need another 4. So we need 2 4s, or 4 plus 4. And again, we have the green light, which shows that it is in balance. So we clear all. And again, if children were given an opportunity to free play with a balance, they could be tasked to find, for example, what 3 numbers make 6. So again, they have to balance the equation to find what 3 numbers make 6. So 3, and another one might be, say, 2. And if there's another number, 3 and 2 is 5, and 1 is 6. So we can see that 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6, or 6 equals 1 plus 2 plus 3. Are there any other combinations of 3 numbers on the right hand side that make 6? So again, the children can experiment together in pairs or groups and record all the ways that you can make 6 using either 2 or 3 add-ins, and they can use the number balance here to check their answers. At a higher level, we could show something like that 4 4s. So we could put on 4 4s, and we know that 4 4s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and then we have 4 4s are 16, and that 4 4s is the same as 2 by 8. Sorry, we have to put these over here. 2 by 8. So 4 4s is the same as 2 8s, the distribution of multiplication. And again, you can record that. Over here we have 4 by 4, and over here we have 2 by 8, or 8 by 2. 4 by 4 is the same as 2 by 8. Again, there are many ways that you can actually use your number balance with the children in your class for all sorts of number investigations and recording. And again, when you put a weight onto the number balance, you can click erase to erase a single weight, or you can click clear all. Again, use the pen if you want to make some other recordings or to highlight some combinations of numbers. And again, the teacher notes area provides further ideas on how to apply and use the number balance in your maths class, be that in infants or be that in the very senior classes.